Hi, this is Roy from Norse Effects. Welcome back to the technical analysis videos. In this video, I have four different setups that I want to share with you. So the first one is Euro CHF. So this will be an update on last week's analysis. So I have taken a replay right now, and this is what I was looking at last week. So we had a breakout of this big trend channel, so a parallel trend channel, and this particular pattern itself, it's very rare. So it's not something that sets up every month, but we had a breakout and I was waiting for a retest. And when I click play now, you can see that the retest right here, it happened on Wednesday. I am now filled short and I'm looking for a 112.60 area to take profit. I will not use a set take profit. I will wait and see if we get some reaction down at this level. If we get the reaction and start to break out to the upside, I will get stopped out right then and there. But I will take the risk of having slightly smaller profit, but have the potential to have a much larger winner. So I don't like to put a cap on my potential income. I want to have the ability to make even more without taking more risk. Next pair up is also a euro pair. So this is the euro AUD. I mentioned this, I believe it 2 or 3 weeks ago. I was waiting for the turtle soup pattern. And right now we have a double top. We have two turtle soup actually. I got filled on this candle up here. Let me just zoom in a bit. I got filled here. When we had to move down, I rolled to break even. And we have another one here. So I have re-entered this position. I'm waiting for price to move down to my yellow line down at 151.60. But I have an area that I'm watching just in case if price moves from this level. This will be my exit point if price starts to break out to the upside after hitting an area like this, because I'm not willing to sit through a major upside correction and see all of my unrealized gains move away from me. So that is my plan B. The best scenario would be just a sharp move and no looking back at all from this level. And if you are a trader that likes to have indicators on the charts and confirmation and those stuffs, uh, just on this particular setup alone, we have 5 daily sessions in a short period of time that have tried to close above the key resistance at 157.70 and hasn't been able to do it. And we also have two turtle soups. And if you take a look on, I have a lot of templates, as you can see here. One of them is called barcode confirmation. That is basically having the MACD, so the MACD on the chart, and we have a double top, so equal highs, and we have the momentum indicator showing a lower high, so we have divergence. So instead of the MACD being equal highs, we have the MACD having a lower high. So if you're new to technical trading, this is called the MACD divergence. And we also have bigger divergence back here as well. So I like confirmation in terms of indicators, but it's not key for me to actually take the trade itself. So I move based on price action itself, but if I get confirmation in terms of indicators, that's just a added bonus. Let's get on to the next one. Next pair up is the Euro USD. So in general, I'm very bearish this week on the Euro, and the Euro USD is I'm becoming bearish based on the dollar analysis I did a few weeks ago, because we are hitting the weekly trend line. And this week, I believe it was Friday, so Friday the 16th of February, we had a retest of that weekly trend line. Very, very good reaction. And this is the reaction we have here. And we have the turtle soup. I got filled in the Asian session going into Friday. I sat at my desk. My alert went off. I went to my desk. My trade plan was to, if the 4-hour closed below this resistance, I would add to the position. But it was 3 a.m. in the morning. I fell asleep at my desk, so I only have one position. And I'm looking to take profit if price is willing to get down to this double bottom area we are seeing right here. Last thing up is, I will update on gold as well. That was absolutely horrible this week. I was right, but I didn't make any money. This is Brent. I'm sorry about all the clutters. This is my working chart, so this is what I'm watching all day long. And this is all that I have on the chart. I wanted to see price coming down below this double bottom right here. We stopped just inches above it, and on Wednesday, I got stopped out on this day itself. So my trailing stops got hit. I'm now all out of Brent. Made a very good profit on it, and I'm looking to re-enter. And my plan going forward is I like to use the 1-hour time frame when I stalk the higher time frame setups. I'm combining the both of two worlds. So right now I'm looking at this level right here. This is the bigger 618 Fibonacci retracement. We have a 1-hour resistance up in that area as well. So this 6760 is my level of interest on Brent going forward. And I will look to see if we have more type of confirmation to let me just take the trade and add very quickly to the trade itself, because the commitment of trader support is still extremely high up there. We haven't seen these types of levels since forever. So that is why I'm paying so much attention to Brent. So that is just a quick update on Brent. Let's get on with the last one. So this is gold. I had a analysis on last Sunday, and on Monday we had this breakout of this parallel trend channel here as well. So I thought price would go to the upside. So I thought my original analysis that was bearish was being wrong. We broke out. I said I would use the EMA 50 1-hour to execute the trade. So I did. So my expert advisor, so my robot for MetaTrader 4 executed at the EMA itself. I manually executed on my other platform up in, I believe it was 1326 or 2650. Thursday came around and we had this big spike down. That took me out because after a move like this, I moved to break even because I am not willing to let a winner turn into a loser. In this case, it was a mistake, but things like this, it has happened before, and I know for a fact it will happen again, and it's just what the market does at times. So this is not something I can control. So the only thing I'm able to control in the market is my risk, and that is what I did. So even though I didn't make a single dollar on this trade, I still think that this was a perfect trade because I executed according to plan and the market did what I thought it would do. Still didn't make a profit, but still a perfect trade. And some of you, that might sound weird since I didn't make money, but I still consider it a perfect trade. Well, a perfectly executed trade that went according to script. If you look away from this, still a good trade. So that's it for this analysis. So right now on gold, I'm neutral. I don't have any plans, so the only plans I have is on a euro, which are already executed, and on Brent. So I'm waiting on Brent. So Brent will be key going forward. So thank you very much for watching, and a big thank you to all of you on this YouTube channel, because I am seeing the likes to view ratio on my channel is beyond insane. So really keep up what you guys are doing. Really appreciate it. Until next time, I wish you good luck, and I will see you soon.